Friends, hello. Who is ready for the party with Party City here? Looking like we could have a potential big squeeze here. We're going to talk about that situation right now. Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. So Party City here. Obviously the stock has been in the pooper, and Wall Street has just been, just randomly just saying that it's doing terrible, it's going to go under, it's headed for doom and gloom here. So obviously the Reddit community, the meme stock, the AMC, apes, everyone, we're now talking about this stock and this company that is a very well established company here, especially in North America. So the question is, here's what we're looking at right now with this on a chart here. Since the 17th, we have taken huge gains in Party City. Had a little bit of sell-off the next day on the 18th, but still massively ahead of schedule. And then August 22nd at a 217. Now today was not terrible, but the overall market today, we really didn't see much. We opened up around 230, and we kind of just kept following there. It held the 220s for a while, but it just couldn't make it. So ending the day here in the high two teens here at a we'll say a 217, 218. It's still messing around a little bit after hours here, but so when we look at the volume, we're obviously seeing a build-up happening here. This is taking place right before our eyes. So I think what a lot of people are saying, obviously, is when is this going to squeeze and what is this going to squeeze to? Here's what I've always said about these squeezes. One thing that I really like about this one in particular is that it's already being talked about as a meme stock. It's already been talked about in a bad lighting when it comes to Wall Street, saying that this company is going to go under and they're not going to make it. So obviously, what does that mean? That means Wall Street is betting against Party City. Obviously, they're putting massive puts on it. So, this is a very similar situation to the AMC, GameStop, all of these, meme stock, stocks that the ape community has attacked. And obviously, I mean a good attack. So even though today we saw sell-off, I still think today was a good day. I'm going to be honest here. I'm not going to project a number because I still think we need to see a little more of the puzzle here. Now, I know there's a lot of us out there saying that this is going to hit some crazy number. And that's what I love about the stock market. There's no rules when it comes to this situation that we're seeing right now. Investors pushing up a stock that is in not the best of situation. Now, is this going to happen tomorrow? Is it going to happen this week? Is it going to happen next week? Time will tell, but right now we are seeing a steady increase in volume and a climb back up in Party City stock. So friends, my projections with Party City, here's a few bullet points I'm going to tell you right now. Yes, I do think you really need to pay attention to this very carefully. I think you need to watch what is going on with all the other meme stocks and everything that's been talked about. I think Party City is actually one that that could potentially do something very big here because the stock is so cheap. The stock is being so brutally talked about when it comes to analysts. But now analysts are turning the page and saying, hey, this could be the next freaking AMC. It looks like we're headed this direction. Possibly. Could it be bigger? Could it be smaller? We don't know yet. But, X amount of time, whenever this could possibly happen, I really think you do need to watch what's going on with Party City here. I personally think this could take some time to really see something come out of this. And if this does do an AMC GameStop situation, there were telltale signs of those situations happening weeks in advance with slow build up, massive buy-in, massive sell-off, buy back in, and then one day pop, boom, we saw what happened. History took place. Another key bullet point, I will tell you this right now. If you don't have money to play around in this, I would tell you not to. I'm not one of these YouTube guys who says, put all your money in this right now. Now, if you're somebody that loves chasing meme stocks and, just loves and maybe gamble, we'll just go that far. Yeah, this is going to be a fun little situation we got going on right here. These are the things that a lot of people like because, investing in stocks long-term and all that kind of stuff, it's fun, yes, but I think the majority of us, we're looking for a thrill. We're looking for something to just, what's the big thing here? And I think Party City is really going to be in that realm here of what could possibly happen. And I'm going to be honest, I know Party City is not in the best light right now when it comes to financials. And obviously, this is not really a video talking about Party City and their financials. But I will say this, that there are a ton of Party Cities around me where I live. And those things are always booming. And obviously, this stock took a huge plunge when the pandemic hit. And it's still trying to rebound from those numbers. So either way, I really am interested in this stock and I'm really interested in this company, but I am more interested right now to see what could possibly happen here in the next few weeks to month to see if this thing can actually pop and do something really big. Friends, let me know what you think about Party City. Like I said, keep your eyes on the volume, keep your eyes on where this is flowing to. I think even if you get under, into a $2 mark, a $2.15, $2.20, obviously there's going to be a lot of meat on the bone here with what could potentially happen. But I do think, like I said, if you don't have money to play around with and lose, be very careful with this one, friends. I will tell you that. So, friends, with all that said, let me know what you're doing. Remember, be positive, be you. Take time to invest in the future of yours, friends. I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.